Hi everyone, this video I am going to show you convert photos to PDF on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's jump right in. First of all, open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. After the Gallery app is open, here you can see all of the photos and saved videos listed there. You can scroll through the page and find the exact photo if you want to convert to PDF. For example, I am convert this photo as PDF, so tap on it. Open the full view. After that, look at the top right corner. Here you can see the three dots more button. Tap on it, then select print option and automatically open the next page. After that, here you can make sure to select the save as PDF option. After that, you can also customize by paper size or other option if you like. Once everything is good, simply tap on the download arrow icon, yellow color. Then choose the specific folder where you want to save this PDF. For example, I am select DCIM, then confirm by tapping save button and automatically save the PDF. To check it work this method, simply return to your home screen, open the file manager app. After that, go to the folder where you want to upload it. For example, DCIM. But if you don't find it, don't worry, you can use the search bar. Here you can simply type DCIM. After that, once you found the folder, tap on it. Here you can scroll down a little, look for the if you currently convert this photo as PDF appear. Tap on it and automatically view the result. And that's it, how you can easily convert photos as PDF on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.